Hi, Carlos. You seem a little late today. Everything okay?
Hi, Lena. Yes, I'm fine. Sorry for being late.
You look worried. Did something happen this morning?
I went to the bakery on Pine Street today.
Oh, that's nice. Did you buy something delicious?
I tried to order a sandwich. I spoke English,
That's great. Speaking is always good practice.
but the cashier spoke so fast I couldn't understand.
I know. Many people speak fast in Seattle here.
I spoke slowly, but people laughed at me in line.
Oh, Carlos, don't feel bad. It happens to everyone.
I feel embarrassed. Maybe my English isn't very good yet.
Your English is good. Mistakes are part of learning.
I make too many mistakes when I try to speak.
Mistakes are normal. Everyone makes them while learning English.
I feel nervous to speak now in public spaces.
Don't worry. Let's practice together. We will start simple.
Okay, I want to feel more confident speaking English.
Let's talk about your morning routine. That's perfect practice.
I wake up around 7 o'clock every single morning.
Good. After waking up, what do you usually do next?
I brush my teeth and wash my face quickly.
Excellent. And what about breakfast? What do you eat?
I eat toast and eggs. I drink some orange juice.
Very good. See? You are speaking English very clearly.
It feels easier than I thought it would be.
Yes, simple sentences are perfect for practice every day.
I understand now. Small steps help me speak better.
Exactly. Step by step. Let's talk about your sister.
She go to university near downtown Seattle every morning.
Almost perfect. Remember, for he or she, we add S.
Oh, yes, she goes to university near downtown Seattle.
Great. That is exactly right. You are improving fast.
I go, she goes. Now I understand the pattern.
Yes, learning is step by step. You are doing wonderfully.
Step by step, practice makes perfect. I'll try more.
Don't think about people in the bakery. Just keep practicing.
Thank you, Lena. I feel encouraged. I'll practice daily.
That's the spirit. Confidence grows every time you speak.
Yes, I'll remember. I want to speak fluently someday.
And you will, Carlos. Consistent practice is the secret.